Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale, exhale. Let your body settle, let your shoulders soften, let your jaw unclench, let your mind slow down. There's nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to go, nothing that you need to fix. Just be here, just breathe, and just receive. Now, gently bring your awareness to your heart. Feel its rhythm, its warmth, its quiet intelligence. Imagine a soft golden light forming in your chest, a light of safety, stillness, and joy. With every breath, let the golden light expand. Fill it in your lungs, your shoulders, your spine, your entire nervous system, including your head, your chest, your legs, your feet, your back, your face. You're safe in this space. You're held. You're supported. Now, silently or softly, mentally invite the energy or presence of Archangel Michael. Please say, Archangel Michael, protector, guide, friend, I invite your presence now. Surround me with your divine protection, your calming strength, and your focused energy. Now, visualize a deep dark blue light forming above you. A powerful, calm, electric blue presence. Let this light slowly move down, surrounding your body like a cocoon of protection. Nothing heavy can enter this field. Nothing chaotic can stay here. Nothing draining can survive this frequency. Only peace, only clarity, only calm, and only safety can stay here. Now, imagine Archangel Michael standing behind you, not as fear, not as force, but pure stability. A presence that says, you're protected, you're supported, you're safe to relax. Now, feel a gentle energy at the top of your head. Let it clear your head, your mind, your nervous system. Let it open your mind to greater possibilities today. Allow Archangel Michael to step forward and cut all energetic, negative attachments of stress, worry, pressure, overwhelm, not violently, but gently, cleanly, lovingly, and softly. Let him begin to detach you from mental overload, emotional exhaustion, fear of failure, urgency, pressure, scarcity, self-criticism, external expectations, other people's energies, other people's emotions, and your own lower emotions or energy. Let him dissolve each and every attachment into his light. Hear him say, dear friend, you don't need to carry what is not yours. You don't need to hold what drains you. You don't need to fix what is not your responsibility. Breathe in clarity, breathe out tension. Breathe in focus, breathe out overwhelm. Breathe in calm, breathe out noise. Now bring awareness to your mind. Imagine your thoughts slowing down like waves, becoming still water. No racing, no spiraling, No clutter, no chaos. Just stillness, presence, just awareness. Let your mind become clear. Let your mind become quiet. Let your mind become focused. Let your mind become calm. Now repeat mentally after me. I release stress from my body. I release pressure from my mind. I release fear from my nervous system. I release urgency from my energy field. I release all unnecessary emotions from my emotional body, my energy field. Feel Archangel Michael placing a hand gently over your heart. Feel his energy. Let it be a transmission of safety, stability, grounding, courage, calm, focus. Ask yourself in this space, do you feel rushed? Do you feel anxious? Do you feel pressured? Or do you feel stable focus, centered focus, peaceful clarity? Now, imagine a blue flame of focus forming in your solar plexus, your center of personal impact. This flame is steady, not chaotic, not aggressive, not forced. Feel its calm strength, its calm confidence, calm direction, calm purpose. Say mentally, I move through life with calm clarity. I act from peace, not pressure. I focus from alignment, not fear. I trust my inner guidance. Let your breath become natural, effortless, gentle, soft. Feel your body, feeling grounded, clear, centered. Feel your mind more clearer, your thoughts more clearer, your emotions more positive. From this space, ask Archangel Michael, Archangel Michael, my dear friend, could you stay with me throughout today, guiding me, helping me, protecting me through each and every second of my life, clearing my way forward, dropping in ideas for everywhere I'm stuck, stressed out, worried about, traumatized, in pain with, making sure I take the action steps required to fulfill all the tasks I need to. The tasks that are causing stress, pressure, or the tasks that are not being done that are causing stress, pressure, fear within me, around me as well. Take a few seconds to hear Archangel Michael or feel his presence or feel his response back as an energy, as an emotion, as a thought, as a feeling, as an intuitive perception, an idea, a memory, a sensation. Don't doubt what you receive. As long as it's loving, gentle, warm, that's your message from Archangel Michael. Believe it, receive it, store it, memorize it, and say thanks. With this, we say goodbye, remembering that we can come back to this space every time we feel like we need to slow down, reconnect with ourselves or Archangel Michael, or feel safer. Thank you for joining me in the short meditation with Archangel Michael. My name is Dr. Pranita Rao. I am a coach for sensitive people, highly sensitive people, and I use tools like art, angelic Reiki, angelic healing, energy healing to support individuals globally. If you feel as though you need more support with your energy or emotions, feel free to join my 60-minute Zoom webinar happening every weekend at 7:30 p.m. IST, or you can book a coaching call through my calendar link mentioned in the description of this video. Once again, thank you for spending time with me and thank you for choosing you today.